This Mother's Day, surprise your mom with the pasta recipe that's stealing the show. Just a few simple ingredients, unbeatable flavor, and all the cozy comfort she deserves. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're making a roasted red pepper pasta that's creamy, a little smoky, and totally comforting. You don't need anything fancy, so let's just get into it. Start by slicing 3 bell peppers in half or quarters, the red ones, of course, along with an onion and 4 to 5 garlic cloves. Roast them in the oven until the edges are charred and caramelized, and that's where all the deep flavor comes from. Once they're out, cover the peppers with a wrap for around 15 minutes, and this helps the steam to loosen the skin and make them super easy to peel. Now pop these roasted veggies into a blender and add in a handful of fresh basil and some milk, and then season with salt and pepper. Blend until it's silky smooth. I did this in 2 batches because my blender is small, but you can just blend everything together. Meanwhile, boil about 2 to 3 cups of pasta, and I have used rigatoni here, but you can totally use any pasta shape of your choice. In a pan on low to medium heat, add some olive oil along with minced garlic, basil stems, and chili flakes. Then add in your sauce and stir in the cooked pasta. If it feels a little too thick, add just a bit of pasta water or some more milk to loosen it. Finish it off with a generous sprinkle of cheese and give it a final stir. And that's it! Make this recipe for your mother and watch her face light up with joy this Mother's Day. If you love this recipe, be sure to like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.